What is the Area Agency for Aging or Aging and Disability Resource Center? So this is a concept that is very common to my Medicaid planning world, and essentially all over the United States, every county is assigned to an area agency on aging or an aging and disability resource center. You can think of them as they're just different titles that mean the exact same thing. So in my world, where it is most significantly implicated is for my clients who are interested in the Medicaid waiver program, because among all the other things that they do, in Florida, the Aging and Disability Resource Centers or the area agencies on aging are responsible for managing the wait list. The waiver program in Florida, which helps pay for assisted living facility care or helps pay for home health care, is not an immediately available benefit. It comes with a wait list. Now, part of our service, if we're hired to do so, is we help people minimize time spent on that wait list. And that's not through any kind of magic wand, or there's really no deception. I mean, we can't, it's really based on everyone's need compared to everybody else in the community and the availability of financing. But we know what questions they're going to ask. We know what their criteria they're looking for, and so we can help you tailor your answers to their questions so that your loved one can get the highest possible placement given their consideration. Now, again, I like to stress there's no lying. We're not making up things that don't exist. If your loved one is able to do 50 jumping jacks, they're probably going to be a pretty low priority on the Medicaid waiver wait list process. But for those who really do need the help, we can help minimize the amount of time they spend waiting, because we can kind of push the process along. And we have several different ways of doing that. But that's not all. That's where I am most interacting with them. But they work with people for all sorts of things, and it's worth a call if you are either disabled or over the age of 65, because folks who need help with meal assistance, folks who need help with paying for home adapting equipment, folks who are looking for resources related to elder care, it's like elder senior care centers and adult daycare centers and respite programs and different activities. They also typically have a program called SHINE that's attached to the Aging and Disability Resource Center, where they help senior citizens navigate Medicare and health insurance protocols. So these area agencies on aging and aging disability resource centers are wonderful and often underutilized tools that people really should be taking advantage of. And just to give them a call and say, hey, what is it that you guys do? How can you help me? Here's what I need. You may be very pleasantly surprised at the access to additional resources that they're able to connect you with. So that's area agencies in aging and aging and disability resource centers in a nutshell. In Florida, my only asterisk that I would add is they're oftentimes overworked and understaffed, so you want to expect a significant hold or wait time to get someone on the phone. But once you get to someone, they're very, very helpful, and these are people who their job is to help you find resources and help improve the quality of your life. When you come to a firm like ours, we're dealing with the resource center because it's helping you bump you up on that Medicare waiver wait list, and we become your mouthpiece. So we are interacting with these different government agencies, so you don't have to get you the services that you need. If you have any other questions about the Medicaid waiver program, the area agencies on aging or aging and disability resource center, please give us a call. We service the entire state of Florida, and set up a consultation today. Thank you.